Tim from Gold Coast Plumbing Experts here. Today we are in Jacobs Well and we're installing this top of the range hybrid G Series PureTech water filter. These are the best of the best, the Rolls Royce, the bee's knees, whatever you want to call it. So we're putting this system in and it's going to filter the whole house. UV, ultraviolet filtration system, gets absolutely everything out of the water. So if that's the system you're looking for, definitely grab one of these ones. We'll show you what it's going to look like once it's all installed on the side of the house, and that'll have pure clean water throughout the whole house. So we've just finished installing our hybrid 6 series water filter system. Looking very good. Here's our UV filter. There's sediment filters. This will get rid of all that hard water. You can see the nice copper lines we've run. Pressure reduction valve here, just to bring in 500 kPa pressure into the house. Shut off valve so the owner doesn't have to go back out the front to shut it off, and it's easy for maintenance if we do need to pull it out. So if you're looking at one of these systems, highly recommended. Give you a nice water for you and your family. Check it out.
Call Gold Coast Plumbing Experts on 1300 600 632.